Good morning. Welcome to day 21. Crazy. We plan to make a lot of cookies today, huh? We're gonna make a lot of cookies. We're gonna watch some Christmas movies. We're gonna have fun today.
Yeah.
Isn't that right? Big family day?
Yeah.
Yeah. But that is what we're doing, and then mainly because we need to get prepped because we're doing Jacob's parents tomorrow. Their Christmas tomorrow on Sunday, and then Monday we have plans. We also have to, it's weird light thing that's doing. Anyways, we have other plans Monday where we can make some more cookies, but we really have to get a lot of that done today. I want to get a lot of things planned out when I'm going to make them because Christmas Eve and Christmas Day are going to be pretty full. But I'll show you what cookies we're making, maybe us making some of them. Okay, well, clearly somebody was just crying, and it wasn't me this time. But it is just me and Evie right now. We have made so many cookies. Really not even that many. We still have, I'm in the process of making one, doing the dough. But then the sugar cookies, those are gonna take the longest. And then we have three other cookies after that. But those are gonna be for a different day because we've already made a boatload of cookies. Jacob and Owen are out. We decided that we were gonna have pizza and we're gonna watch the Home Alones tonight, and just kind of chill since we've been doing a lot of baking today, a lot of in the kitchen stuff. So we're just gonna chill with that later. So they're out getting that. It is kind of early, but Jacob and I both he likes cold pizza. I like room temperature pizza. I know people probably think that's weird, but that's what we like. And he had to run to the store anyways because we had a couple of ingredients that I just forgot to get for some of the cookies. And then I realized that I did not have enough cream cheese and butter for the remainder of the cookies, as well as the other things that I have to make. So, yeah. But it's been a good day so far, hasn't it, girl? Has it been a good day? You been a happy girl? You a happy girl? Oh, not impressed. Hey guys, today is day 22, but it's the end of the day. It's nighttime. Jacob and I are about to watch Santa Claus 2. We've had such a good busy day. As you can see by the island behind me, we did have one of our Christmases today. So I can show you some of what we got, in case you're interested. I don't know. Also, this is not bragging. We know we are very, very lucky. But main thing that I asked for this year were practical gifts. So we asked and we got a bunch of Tupperware. I've already been unboxing all my stuff. We got they're the hibachi type stuff for our Blackstone because we have a small one. We're hoping to get a bigger one this year. We also got the kind of puzzle exercise mat things that are gonna go in our garage and our workout area. Jacob, we've had a hammock bed since we've been before we got married. We've had this hammock bed, but no hammock to hang it from, so he finally got that and he was so excited. Then some of the things the kids got, Owen was so excited to get this Paw Patrol set. He also got a little electric car that he can ride Evie around in, an easel. a coloring kit with a ton of craft stuff. I'm so excited to play with this with him, like when Jacob goes back to work. So excited to play with that. Evie got like a high chair. She's not eating like that yet, but she will be soon. Also, this one here is amazing. It's from Chico. It is the Zest 4-in-1 folding high chair, because I know that there's another folding high chair that's like, I can't think of the brand, but it's really expensive. And we have one for Owen right here. It is so sleek, so easy to clean. It folds up, not super small like the other one that's really expensive, but it does fold, and like we can kind of like tuck it back there. Love it. Awesome. Also, Evie got like this cute little tent and this little, it's a stroller, push around play, hanging play, sit and play, all 3-in-1. It says 12 months plus, but she's gonna be hitting buttons before we know it. Anyways, yeah. It's honestly, it's too much, but we are very thankful. Very, very thankful. But that is all, honestly, for today. I don't know. I get in family mode, and I just don't vlog. I'm sorry. I can't help it. Good morning. Welcome to day 23. Actually, it's afternoon now, I think. It is. It's 12:30. Oopsies. Buddy, that's a lot of gummies. Owen and Jacob just got back from doing some shopping. Owen has gummy bears. Are they good? Yeah. I'm starting to make sweet potato casserole and corn pudding. We're doing some cleaning. We're doing all of the things today. I've done some laundry. Evie's chilling in her swing right there. Good start to the day. Okay, so I'm gonna sign off here for this set of vlogs. We had a really busy day, just making cookies, starting food. And today is Jacob's grandpa's birthday, so we're actually picking up some dinner to take to him. Owen made him a card and drew him a picture, and we got some cookies for him. Owen, did you have a good day? Yes. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna try to get this video up, or edited and uploaded tonight. Yeah, we're going to go see Great Papa. But I'm gonna try to get it uploaded tonight, but we do have a lot going on. Still, I need to make another thing of cookies. We still have to wrap for the various events that we have. And I think that there was one more thing, but I don't remember what it was. But that's the plan. Bye, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I have all my platforms linked up below. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.